it's like there stuck there. Now it's raining. Oh gosh, how do I do this? Oh gosh, get out! Get out! It's like crazy out there. First there was hail, but we didn't get early release at school. And it was like so loud. Now then we had like a few thunderstorms. Jacob calls it boom, and now it's crazy raining. We're just hoping it doesn't hail. Like the lights turn off. We don't like that. You still looking at it? It's pretty, huh? And I have my jacket on still. I'm so cold. It's crazy. It's crazy out there. Yeah, I think we're gonna have a flood watch. I should take a picture of this. This is beautiful. This is actually beautiful. I could stare at it. But it says it's supposed to be. Bye. Say bye, Jacob.